Thank you for tuning in to Savannah in the Kitchen and joining us as Savannah learns how to cook delicious, quick, and easy meals. Welcome back to Savannah in the Kitchen.
I'm Savannah.
I'm Uncle Jamie. If this is your first time here, welcome. We hope you enjoy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another one of our videos. Hey Uncle, what's on the menu today?
Today we're making corn dogs.
Where's the sticks?
No, we're not using sticks, we're using cupcake liners. These corn dogs are made to be eaten on the go.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Well, let's get started.
Okay.
So let's make our batter.
Okay.
Start by adding the egg.
Okay.
1/3 of a cup of milk.
Okay.
Great. Give that a nice stir, break the egg up. How about I start pouring in the dry ingredients for you?
Okay.
We're using the Jiffy corn muffin mix.
Okay.
All right, you start stirring. There you go. Mix that up well. And it's going to be lumpy, and that's okay.
Okay.
And let me add about 1 tablespoon of honey.
Okay.
That'll make these corn muffins a little sweeter. Well, that looks good. How about we set that aside and we'll start dicing our hot dogs.
Okay.
Let's dice our hot dogs.
Okay.
First, you're going to start. Slice it this way. And that way. Basically, cut the hot dog into 4 pieces.
Okay.
Okay? Turn it to the side and just start dicing. These don't need to be that even.
Okay.
Just small pieces, bite size. So when we add them to the muffins, you get a nice consistency. Now you try it.
Okay.
Oh, that left-handedness. I don't know how you do it left-handed. Well, that's because I'm right-handed, I know.
Mm-hmm.
All right. That's it. Looking good, Savannah.
Thanks.
You are dicing like a pro.
It's because I am one.
You sure are. There you go. Perfect. Okay, so now that our hot dogs are sliced and our batter is all mixed, let's start putting our muffins together.
Okay.
All right, I've pre-sprayed our cupcake liners with cooking spray so that they don't stick. We talked about that before when we made our fried Oreos.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to put a little bit of batter in the bottom. You fix that for me?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Then you can top them off with our diced hot dogs.
Okay.
All right.
Say about that much is good.
Yeah, that looks
A little
good.
more.
and then I'll top them off.
Okay.
Messy today.
Mm-hmm.
These are quick, but I don't know how.
Help me now.
Yeah. Well, these look good. Let's get them in the air fryer.
Okay.
You mind getting the door for me?
No.
Okay, great. We'll set our timer for 10 minutes and we'll check them. Savannah, they're looking good.
Yes, they are.
I think we need to remove them.
Yes.
Careful, that's hot. All right. I had to adjust our time. 10 minutes was way too long.
Okay.
5 minutes, they look pretty good.
Yes, they do.
Hungry?
Definitely.
Time for lunch?
Most definitely.
Well, let's eat.
All right then.
Thanks for watching.
See you next week.
See you next week.